Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Please like.
We're going to be doing paper flower, like I said much more earlier. So today, anything that involves decoration involves trend, and whatever trend you create and it have a very beautiful effect, everyone will want to buy into that idea and make a glamour out of it. So today we're going to be going to paper flower. So like you see today, I already have my petal, because to every flower you're going to make, it's what we call petal, because you cut out the petal to be able to make out your flower like this in different sizes, like as it has been done here, different sizes. Then, and once you cut them out, you name them or give them a number just for you not to mix them up. So we have same kind of petals but in different sizes. We also have some here. These are also other ones. And mind you, more about these things, anything that involves decor, like I said, give it your own name. Give it your own name, and that becomes a trend that everyone will want to follow after. So like I said, these are petals, and today I'm going to show you how to go about how you cut your petals. Now, we need A4 paper, and like I said, listed earlier, A4 paper is what you need, and here is my own A4 paper. Then, first and foremost, the first thing you do is you fold. You draw like this, and not like this. Now, take it all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. And you can always add a tail to it, so that it looks, because this part is where we tend to glue, is what we use for our gluing. Then just like that, you draw it out. Then afterwards, you can always trace, because mind you, the number of petals you have or you're able to cut out determine how big your flower will turn out to be. So we can always have this, draw the same shape again, take it all the way down. Like I said, you don't need to be a good artist. Take it all the way down, take it all the way down. Then ensure you always add a tail to it, add a tail to it. Then again you do the same thing all the way down, all the way down, add a tail to it. Now the reason why I said use pencil, because just in case you make mistake, you can easily erase it rather than using biro, because that will just make your work messy, and at the end of the day you might not really achieve what you want, or you might end up wasting materials. And here we go. So now at this point I will number them. I have number 1, I have number 2, I have number 3, I have number 4. So but mind you, I can just cut out just 1 and 2 and I say achieve my flower, make my flower. Then, or if you cut out 1, 2, 3, you say like here now we have, this is my number 1, here's my number 2, here's my number 3. Now this other one here, we have 1, you can see the number is written on it. We have 2 here, the next one is 3, you can see, the next one is 4, and the last one we have is 5. So like I said, it all depends on how. So I will cut it now, cut it out. Like I said, please, you need a scissors. Please get a sharp scissors to do your cutting. And I also want to advise that it's better for you to have more than one scissors, because cutting of papers with scissors can easily blunt the mouth of your scissors. So to be on the safer side, get 2 scissors, so that once one is going out again. So here we go. So we have our petal cut out. So this is how we achieve all of this. And mind you, there are different patterns, different layers, so it all depends on our approach. So here we go. Then the moment this is achieved, we place this on our cardboard. Place this on our cardboard, and you sketch out. Sketch it out. Sketch it out, and here you go. So once this is done, now one of the things that most people don't usually understand is the fact that there are also methods of cutting your petals out. Now, first and foremost, this is how you go about it, and this is how you go about it. Ensure you fold your cardboard paper, make it equal, let the edge align with the tip, that is not shooting out like this or like this. Ensure it's aligned. Then ensure that you do your proper folding. You fold it. Now the reason why I suggest that we use a normal common cardboard paper is because of those of us as a learner or as a beginner. I wouldn't advise you go get expensive cardboard that you end up wasting. But with this you can learn with this, and also over time, once you become perfect, then you can then metamorphose or switch in using other kinds of cardboard. Then make it much more easier. And afterwards, just do your folding like this. Oh, perfect. Fold into 2. Now here you see. So now we have when I cut this shape out, I'm going to have 1, I have 2, I have 3, I'm going to have 6. So now let's give it a try. Now when you're cutting, ensure that you cut on the line or you cut outside the line. And please, like I said, you need a sharp scissors. If your scissors are not sharp, please, I advise you get a sharp scissors. Get a sharp scissors. Then cut. Do your cutting. ensure that it's up. Do your cutting well. Do your cutting well. Come back. Then you ensure, like I said, chop off this place. That's the tail. Now you see we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6. So now I can always give it a number. I can call this what number did we cut on it? We cut number 4. I place it as what? Number 4. So the same exercise goes repeatedly